Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds AirPods Pro. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have a system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also iPhone part to find the similar path to these settings. On your Android, open settings, and then we should go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and stock Android accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. You may have it at the top or in the middle, but I need to scroll down. Accessibility, and right here at the bottom you will find audio adjustment line. Tap at that line, and right here we have mono audio. To enable mono audio, you need to tap one time at the slider, and to disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to accessibility. Scroll down, under the general settings we have accessibility line. Tap at that line, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at that line, and right here at the fourth line, if you have iOS 26 or if you have previous version at the third line, you will find mono audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider, if the slider have empty background, turn on. And to disable mono audio, you need to also tap at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.